Hi, I'm Matt from the Critter and the Butterfly YouTube channel. This is one of our How We Did It videos. The taillights on our Trailmanor were beginning to act up intermittently. We had a gremlin aboard. In this video, we'll show you where it was and how we fixed it. Now, there's more than one way to strip a wire, they say. This is just the way we decided to do the repair and how we went about doing it. So stick around and see what we did. We were having problems with our trailer tail and clearance lights. One side or the other would decide it wanted a rest. The 7-way trailer connector was looking pretty mungus, so we replaced that with a new molded plug and cable set. We installed a terminal block to make troubleshooting and replacement easier in the future. That seemed to make the trailer happy, but then the gremlin showed up again. It became clear that we were going to have to do battle with the beast that lurks in the lower refrigerator bay.
Through this hatch lives the most vile creature. Stories have been passed from generation to generation of a beast with connectors so horrible that the mere sight of them would freeze you where you stood. There were few who were willing to do battle with this snake-like demon of copper, PVC, and multicolored sheath. Stories of its evil nature live on to this day. There it be. The horror is real. The battle is joined. The game is afoot.
Or a hand. First things first, we shut down the solar and 12-volt power in the trailer. Be sure you disconnect the solar panels from the controller before you disconnect the trailer batteries. If not, the controller gets very upset. Okay, let's get the beast uncoiled and see what he's been up to. No good, I'm sure.
Aye, the stories be true. These connectors are as horrible as they get.
You need to take care when cutting electrical tape this way. It's easy to nick a wire. This is interesting. Again with the horrible connectors. This is a strange application for a quick tap. I was hoping to use another terminal block in here, but it's a very tight space, and there's the refrigerator heater to think about. So we'll put a quick connect to replace the quick tap on the marker light wire, and we'll replace these quick taps with heat shrink butt splices. The quick connect will get cleaned up and have an application of dielectric grease. Let's not forget this little beast in the corner here. The electric brake wires and the 12-volt DC wires in this bunch will get Alumicon wire splices. They used wire nuts, so I'll replace those with a better permanent solution. Here we go. Okay, the butt splices are installed. They seal when they're heated. Now let's clean up those quick connects. Let's speed things up a little. I wish I could work this fast. I wonder why they used the quick connects for the 12-volt wires. Probably for ease in installing the shells. The butt splices are installed. The quick connect is installed on the marker light wire, and the rest of the quick connects are cleaned up and have dielectric grease in them. A couple zip ties, and the beast has been tamed, I hope. Now to install the Alco connectors on the electric brakes and 12-volt DC wires. These Illumicon connectors are pretty cool. Just clean up your conductors. Trim to length. Insert into the connector and to make tight. Makes me tired just watching this. Pull test the connection and close. You're done. They make a very solid and reliable connection. I need one more Alco connector for the ground wires. Okay, the third alcove connector is installed. We replace the zip tie. And add one more for these wandering wires. Tuck everything in nice and cozy. And that's it. We'll see if the beast is vanquished or wants to rejoin the battle. If it does, that will be a story for another time. By the way, the solar and 12-volt power from the truck were re-energized and everything tested out fine. Be sure to connect the trailer batteries to the solar controller before you connect the solar panels to the controller. Here's the before and after. Thanks for checking out the video. If you liked it, be sure you give us a thumbs up down below there. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and bell icon so you'll be notified when we upload something new. Thanks again for stopping by, and safe travels.